15 years ago. And I was in that one.
Oh yeah. Throw the switch. I'll go the other route. Give it a little push there. The track's just dirty. So.
I still watch the one he did when you guys all came over. It's got to be.
I don't know how corny it was, but I don't remember what he would have filmed, but I remember it. Very funny.
He likes those weights.
I'm just trying to get really just to test out the concept of doing a catenary, since I've got all these locomotives that got that. Oh. I got this one. Yeah, let's see if I don't screw something up here. Hopefully I can. This line here was to test on a single wire using brass wire.
Jennifer, you're missing out watching the Catenary.
Make sure I get the right polarities. What I like is just you can watch that catenary up there, which is kind of cool.
Oh, watching the pantograph go up and down? Yeah.
When you're going to get caught out there. And all your friends will see you. Then they'll know just what kind of stuff you do on the weekends, right? Well, aren't you a fashion plate?
Some kind of plate.
Friends of mine, hey, my ex-boss and then a friend of his bought me a 3D printer for Christmas.
Oh, wow. And you found out what to do with it.
Well, they wanted my help because they were having trouble.